Okay, after I did the last video, I put one of the fork lowers together here, and you can see here's the rubber bushing all ready to go on, and here's the seal. And then I took a break, and a couple days later I came back and I was all focused on putting the seals in. The seal, which has got a nice, there's the spring side that goes towards the oil. But the top part's got this nice flat surface that you can just take a little punch and put on, and tap, tap, tap. You put it on there and just tap it in. Boom, 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 boom. And so I was thinking about that, and I thought about the other bushing. This one that has to go in, and I'm like, oh yeah, well I just tapped that right in too. So that's what I did. And now you can see that that bushing is very nicely installed in the lower fork tube. The thing is, it's out of sequence, because even though the fork tube will slide through that bushing, guess what, it does that all the time. When it's all put together, when it's got that other bushing on the bottom of the fork tube, it will not fit in there because it's bigger. The bushing is bigger than the fork tube. Oh, it's very important. What you're supposed to do, or assembly is important. You put the damper rod in through the fork tube. Come on. Get it out the bottom a little bit. Put the okay, now I got the 3 little washers. Take them. Put the washers around the end of the damper rod. Slide the little hat-shaped piece up in there. Then you take that whole thing and slide it into the lower. Slide it into the lower. I'm not going to show you all those parts. And then you put the bolt on with the nice Anneal washer using the 8mm Allen wrench at the bottom and your tool with the socket extensions at the top. And then you've got this, and then you can go to a shop. Sometimes it's worth paying mechanics for their toolboxes. Go to a bike shop and pay a mechanic to tap the bushing in and to put the fork seal on. Okay, and make sure they put some ultra slick seal grease on it, because then you'll have better fork action because it'll be more slippery. So that's it. Oh, now I'm going to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing out. I've got a Dremel here with a nice tungsten hard bit, and I'm going to spend the next few minutes grinding that bushing out of there, and then go buy another one at the Suzuki shop and put it all in, get it all fixed. So that's what I learned. Hope you're having fun with working on your forks, and I hope you get them all put together right.